Fuck's sake.
Get your camera ready.
Bodie, you filming
Bodie.
it? Bodie, you filming it?
Let me know when you're ready. You good?
Ready? Daddy, head back.
The head is back, mate. That's good crack, kid.
Yeah, it's really fun. I told you, it's so fun. I told you. It's so fun.
Fuck's sake.
It's like going on a roller coaster ride. Have you ever done one of these before?
No, it's the first time.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, yeah. I thought he would have liked it. No, I don't think
Yeah.
he would have liked it, actually.
He would have screamed.
I don't think he would have liked it.
I really liked it first time. I was so scared though.
Did you do it on your own?
Yeah, I did it with some random lady because
And did she
Bodie was
scream?
way too scared, and he didn't want to spend his money.
Did the random lady scream?
Yeah. I told you how fun it was.
Yeah.
It's just the initial takeoff.
Yeah, it's the initial thing that gets you.
Yeah.
You film it, buddy?
Guys, all good?
It's
All
so
good, mate,
fun.
thank you.
No, you people. I wasn't too sure about you, though.
Was it, do you know what? Is that an initial thing, isn't it?
It is, man. It's just the thought of before you go in there, you don't know what's going to happen.